Probably seen these on other people's channels as well. So obviously a mini little air pump. It's wicked. I think I got it from Amazon. Can't remember how much it was, not a lot. It's called Flex Tail Gear Tiny Pump. It's got different attachments, but I normally just that one, to be fair, pumping up the air mats or the pillows. But yeah, it's wicked little tool. It's obviously tiny, lightweight, saves you blowing it up yourself. Once you've been hiking up hills like me, knackered, last thing you want to do is bloody start pumping up your airbed by mouth. So yeah, so I've got this, brilliant. Right guys, let me just show you my sleep system. So I've got a foil mat with some rubber grip, and obviously my airbed. It's quite thick. I have got a thinner one. Obviously it's lightweight, but sometimes it gives me a bad back, so I do prefer the thicker one to get a better night's sleep for me personally, and I don't mind carrying the extra bit of weight. And I've got this one, which is the OEX Evolution. This has been alright so far. Not tested it in serious cold conditions yet, but it's done me well so far. Got the thermal liner as well to go inside, and here got a balaclava just in case, power bank, and the old trusty Trekology Aloft Pillow Deluxe. This is a bargain. Most people have got these, I think, to be fair, these days. They are cheap and very good. Thick pair of socks. That's just me snacks in there. Don't need to pump it right up, I don't think. Just a little bit. So you still can, your head can sink into it. Don't want it rock hard. That's it. And it's got the strap. Go around your air mattress. So that's that. Got this one, the Wish version of the Jetboil. This was quite cheap. I think this is only like £20 or something. It's been ideal. The only thing that did go wrong was the igniter, the little clicky igniter, that just popped out. But you all you just need is just use a lighter. It's all good. And what have I got? I brought a ration pack for tonight. 2 ration packs. Got steak, vegetables and dumplings. That one's pretty good. And Thai style chicken soup with coconut, chicken and brown rice. Not tried that one before, so I'm looking forward to that one. And then bought Electric Boogaloo IPA, one of them. Cali Pale Ale, 3 of them, because you never know, don't want to run out. And then just some snacks, Skittles, crisps, and pork scratchings. Oh yes. Also brought hot chocolate for bedtime. So yeah, not a complete alcoholic, but getting there. Let's crack one open. Nice. Yeah, so haven't been out in ages. Obviously there's been no videos up on the channel apart from the Lavu review, but it's just been a nightmare with work and stuff. Started my own business, so I've been busy with that. I've got a day job as well, so I've been just trying to juggle the both. But yeah, hopefully start getting out more now, making some videos. There are still a few people about at the minute. Sounds like I'm talking to myself, they're walking by. But yeah, and also being winter, it's just a nightmare, like with it getting dark early as well. It's like when you, by the time you finish work and then get all your gear together and set out, get to somewhere, it's like pitch black, so it's like making videos in the dark. Just think it's a bit, I don't know, a bit pointless really. But I managed to get out today, a couple of days after Christmas, so I hope you all had a good Christmas as well. And here's to a better new year, hopefully. Hopefully all of that's behind us now. Yeah, there's some people over there. But yeah, it's probably, I don't know, about 5:30 now. It's getting dark. I'm up at Chinkwell Tor on Dartmoor. Not been up here before, so I thought I'd try that out. Yeah, it's not bad. It's quite open up here though, so I've managed to find some shelter behind the rocks, so it should be good. The wind tonight is quite windy and the rain is coming in later as well, so I think about 9 o'clock it will start peeing it down, and then when I pack up in the morning as well, this is going to be lashing it down, I think. Yay. Packing up in the rain. No, they're heading back my way now. I'm going to just cut this off until they've gone. Let's get some dinner on now. Get the water boiled. This is water, not lemonade. Keep this on the flat. Get that boiling. Get one of the rack packs in there. Starving. Got the water boiling now. Can have something to eat. Got a ration pack in there. Get something down me. I'm starving now. What else was I going to say? Yeah, if you are watching this video and you do enjoy it, then please give it a like. Even leave a comment as well to just for an idea of what to do next, like a hammock camp, bivvy camp, tent camp. So yeah, just leave a comment, say what you'd like me to see, like me to do rather, and then yeah, I'll get out and do it. I want to make the videos that you guys want to watch. Right, got it out. Maybe it could have done a little bit longer. It's hot, but I was get paranoid. Bought a load of these as well. These army ration packs, all out of date now, for like a year or 2 years, but still good to go. I don't think they really ever go out of date. Let's get this open. Steak and dumplings. So I'll burn my mouth. Nice. Big old dumpling there, look. Dumpling was a bit dry, not gonna lie. Can't find some more steak. Chicken. What is that? Looks like chicken, maybe it's a dumpling, but yeah, dumpling. Not bad, it'll do. What are your thoughts on the ration packs? Do you guys like them? A lot of people don't really like them. I mean, they fit certain purposes. Like tonight, didn't want to bring all the cooking equipment, just wanted a quick easy camp, something simple. So I don't mind them. I don't eat them all the time. I like to try and make something decent, steak, or like fajitas, tacos and stuff like that. I do like to make an effort if I've got the time. Yeah, this will do for tonight. other thing. I bought some Altberg boots, second-hand ones, only 30 quid, which I thought was quite good. They're like over £100. I've got quite big feet, size 13s, and they were, is it like normal width? I think there's like narrow, normal and wide, but quite pinching on the, gone for the wide one. Got any or know any more into it, but yeah, it seems to be quite hard to get the wide ones, and I'm tight ass, so I don't want to buy them brand new, because the ones I've got are like pretty brand new for 30 quid. Like, you can't go wrong. So I don't know, maybe I'm gonna have to flog those ones on and then get a set of wide, 13 wide. But yeah, just wore them today, first time hiking in them. They're quite pinchy, slipping off on the heel as well. I think maybe I didn't have them tight enough, but if I pulled them tighter, I feel like they were just going to squeak more, so I just left them how they were. But yeah, just some tent talk. Nice. Another thing as well, where's everyone from? I live down in South Devon, in Torbay. I just wondered where you lot were from, where you're all watching from, where your local camping spots are. Obviously I've got Dartmoor, which is huge. So many different places you can hike, camp. There's places to swim as well up there, up here should I say. But yeah, just out of interest, wonder where everyone else is from and where your local spots are. Don't know if you could tell earlier when I was putting the tent up, but it's the Naturehike Cloud Up three-man tent. Big enough for 2-man really, with your airbed in here and your bags. But I like having the extra room. It doesn't really weigh a lot. I think it's just over 2 kilos maybe. Perfect. So easy to put up as well. It's good with the like the skeleton poles. So easy to put up, take down. And it's got quite a good bit of mesh going from halfway along, so it's really breathable. You don't get condensation, and I've been out in some torrential rain and it's held its own. Brought the tablet for later to watch a film. Downloaded Rambo, one of my favourites. So yeah, I'll watch that later before I go sleep. Kill the time. That's what I was saying earlier, just when it's winter, it's just a nightmare. Like, you can't sit out and enjoy the views where you are, because it just gets dark so quick. So it's nice to get out, clear your head, have some of you time. But yeah, it's just finding stuff to do to kill the time as well. So I just watch a film, and then the wind's picking up now. Watch a film, and then chill out for a bit, and then go bed. But like I say, it's meant to be raining later on, so hopefully I'll be able to bring you back in the morning. But if it's peeing it down, then I'll just pack up. There's no point showing you all of that, so I'll be stressing anyway. But yeah, cheers guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.